So hi guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Swilly D and thank you so much guys for tuning in. If you are new on the channel, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, I appreciate you. And today I'm so excited about this video because I'll be showing you my vitamin C tricks. So I'm going to show you how I make my own vitamin C from the comfort of my home in my kitchen, and then you can also try and do your own at home in the comforts of your kitchen and save money from going to the shops and buying your vitamin tablets, where else you can make your own and still have the same health benefits. So yeah, let's get into the video. I'm gonna first show you my ingredients. I'll be using 3 ingredients on this video. My first ingredient is it's the turmeric powder, which contains about 3% of vitamin C, and then I've got a cayenne pepper here, which also contains about 7% of vitamin C in its own ingredients, and I've got oranges. These oranges, guys, have about 70% of vitamin C in its own in natural ingredients. So I'm gonna mix all these ingredients together. I'm not cooking anything. I'm just going to add. Okay, I will not be using oranges because of time. I will use the orange juice. So you can either squeeze your fresh oranges when you are making this trick, or you can use fresh oranges. You can use your 100% orange juice. Yeah. So I'll be using the 100% orange juice because it's already time for me to prepare dinner, so I can't do the squeezing because it takes like forever. You guys know what I'm talking about. So yeah, let's get started on this video, and I hope that you guys will learn and that you can try it as well at home and see if it can work for you. If it works for you, please leave a comment down below, or if you've tried this before, you can leave a comment down below and let us know about your experience. And thank you so much guys. If you are new on the channel, please remember to subscribe below, and you can share, click on the notification button, and even if you are a returning viewer, you can please subscribe. I don't know what you're waiting for. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Let's get into the video. So I'm gonna wait for it to rest for 15 minutes. Then I'm gonna dispense it into these bottles so that I can put it in the fridge. And it's gonna help me a lot during the week in terms of taking my shorts. I don't have to make a shorts and drink it immediately. I'm gonna put this in the fridge, and yeah, it's really gonna help me. I can also package this and take it with me to work. In case I'm running late in the morning and I can't take the shorts. So it's already after 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dispense the shorts in each of this. Let us taste. See, this works perfectly fine. So this is it. This is it, guys. Let's taste it. This is so nice. It has this chili aftertaste, and it goes down your throat. It's on your tongue, it goes down your throat. Can you imagine? It's activating things inside. So yeah, this is really good, guys. I hope that you will help yourself and make your own shorts at home, because like I said, I only used cayenne pepper, turmeric powder, and orange juice, 100% orange juice, or you can make your own. You can squeeze your own oranges if you've got time at home. And you know what I like the most about this vitamin C? I like the fact that it has a lot of benefits, a lot of health benefits. It boosts your immune system, it lowers your blood pressure, your diabetes. It really has like a lot of good benefits. If you have arthritis, it also helps with that. It's a pain reliever. Even when you have like a headache and you take the shot, trust me guys, you put it on a test and just make it from the comfort of your home and see if it's going to help you. It helps with calcium in your body. It helps with a lot of vitamins, with fiber. It really is a good deal, trust me. And I use it a lot because before I started using it, I was buying the vitamin C tablets, and I was taking one every day, just the way I'm taking the vitamin C. And trust me, it really wasted a lot of money because I needed like a lot. Inside you get like 10 tablets. How many tablets do you need in a month? Because every day you need to take at least one. Guys, so this is basically the end of our video. I hope that you try this at home and that it will also help you. And thank you so much guys for tuning in. And please remember to subscribe, click on the notification button so that you can get the next video I'm about to upload. Please also, you can share the video, comment down below and tell me what you think. And if you've tried this recipe before, tell me what is your experience. Just share with us. Thank you so much guys for watching the video, and I love you so much guys. Have a lovely day further, and thank you.